In today's world, with inflation driving up prices and increased risks in starting a business, it can kind of seem like a daunting task. Higher shipping costs, longer shipping times, and expensive materials can add to these challenges as well. However, ironically enough, one business model has become cheaper to start and much less risky, and that's dropshipping. When people hear the term dropshipping, they often envision starting a Shopify store and running ads to products in hopes of making millions of dollars. But if you've tried that approach for any extended period of time, you know just how difficult it can be. Months can be wasted trying to scale a product that never takes off, and thousands of dollars can be lost on unsuccessful ad campaigns. The truth is, this traditional approach may not be the best option for most people. Instead, what if you could leverage existing marketplaces where buyers are already actively looking for specific products? What if you could list products from retail websites like Amazon, Walmart, or eBay, for example, onto platforms that already have a pool of ready-to-buy customers? This is known as retail dropshipping, and it offers a much more profitable and less risky alternative for most people. With retail dropshipping, you don't need to spend any money on ads to reach potential customers or worry about profitability. You can focus on listing products and take advantage of the built-in buyer base on these marketplaces. Now, additionally, there's various product copying softwares out there that will make the streamlining of this process so much easier and so much faster. It'll copy the product details, including the images, the title, the description, and even mark the price up automatically for you. So one such software that I use often is called ZDrop. It allows you to copy products from hundreds of different websites to multiple marketplaces in an instant. The startup cost for using ZDrop is very minimal as well, right? It's only $15 a month, which makes it an affordable option for anyone looking to get started in this business. Now, when it comes to marketplaces that you can list on, there's several platforms worth exploring. So websites like Facebook Marketplace, Mercari, Poshmark, Bonanza, Citizen, Vinted, Depop, all of these are excellent examples of marketplaces. These platforms allow you to list products for free and guarantee profitability with each and every sale. You don't have to worry about losing money driving traffic to your website and spending a lot of money on ads. Building a brand is not necessary either. With tools like ZDrop, you can effortlessly copy these products and pocket the profit. Now, I have tutorials on my YouTube channel that provide step-by-step guidance on how to drop ship on each and every one of these websites. The truth is, it's not rocket science. Anyone can do it. You don't need a specific expertise or a lot of money to start. And I'm not just telling you this. I have personal experience and success doing this exact approach, and I've taught thousands of people to do the same.